Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your ultimate destination for discovering top-rated products. I'm thrilled to have you join us today as we dive into the world of switches and relays, uncovering the best-selling products on Amazon. Today, we'll be counting down the very best, ensuring you have all the insights you need to make informed decisions. So, without further ado, let's get started. Let's jump right in with our number 5 pick. The Derale 18748 180 degrees thermostat probe and clip assembly, a marvel in the world of switches and relays. This vehicle-specific fit type is a game-changer, ensuring a precise and seamless installation process tailored just for your vehicle's needs. Now picture this. You're tackling a project and need reliable components. You reach for the Derale 18748. Why? Its compact design is a perfect blend of form and function, measuring just 1.777 centimeters in height, 6.858 centimeters in length, and 8.89 centimeters in width. Despite its petite size, it packs a punch. But wait, there's more. This product isn't just a domestic wonder, it's proudly made in the United States, a testament to superior craftsmanship and quality. Plus, its feather-light weight of just 0.045 kilograms means it's easy to handle without compromising durability or performance. In a world where precision and reliability are paramount, the Derale 18748 180 degrees thermostat probe and clip assembly stands out. It's not just a part, it's a solution. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this product promises to deliver top-notch performance every single time. Dive into a hassle-free installation and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with using a product designed with excellence at its core. Don't miss out on this essential addition to your toolkit. At number 4 in our top 5 countdown of best-selling switches and relays on Amazon, we have a standout performer, the HELA 00779431112 V2040 amp SPDT res relay with weatherproof bracket multi. This isn't just any relay, it's a product steeped in over a century of excellence. HELA, a name synonymous with high-quality automotive lighting, brings you a relay that exemplifies their legacy. Imagine the confidence of having a component crafted by a brand with over 100 years of experience in automotive innovation. That's what you get with HELA. What makes this relay exceptional? First, it's the unparalleled HELA quality and performance. This 12 V2040 amp SPDT res relay is designed to meet the highest standards, ensuring your vehicle's systems operate flawlessly. And let's talk about durability. With its weatherproof bracket, this relay is built to withstand the harshest conditions, providing reliable performance come rain or shine. Conveniently packaged and ready to go, this relay is as user-friendly as it gets. No fuss, no hassle, just top-tier performance right out of the box. But here's the kicker. There's a limited number in stock. That's right, this hot commodity is flying off the shelves, and for a good reason. It's not just a purchase. It's an investment in reliability and excellence. So whether you're upgrading your vehicle or replacing a worn-out part, the HELA 007794311 is your go-to choice. Grab yours while you can and experience the unmatched quality that only HELA can deliver. At number 3 in our countdown of the top 5 best-selling switches and relays on Amazon, we present the HELA 93333205112V 2040 amp relay, a true gem in automotive components. First, let's talk size. With package dimensions of 5.45 inches in length, 2.34 inches in height, and 4.15 inches in width, this relay is compact yet powerful. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your vehicle's system, providing reliable performance without taking up much space. And at just 0.84 pounds, it's lightweight, but don't let that fool you. This relay packs a punch. Now, where does it come from? This high-quality relay is manufactured in China, meeting rigorous standards of excellence. HELA, a brand renowned for its innovation and reliability, ensures that every relay bearing its name is a mark of trust and quality. The part number 933332051 is more than just a code. It represents HELA's commitment to delivering top-notch automotive components. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a car enthusiast, you know that every part matters, and this relay is no exception. It's engineered to handle 20/40 amps effortlessly, ensuring your vehicle's electrical system runs smoothly. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your car is equipped with a HiLiTES relay. It's not just about functionality, it's about reliability, durability, and the assurance that comes with over a century of automotive excellence. So, as you upgrade or maintain your vehicle, make the smart choice with the HiLiTES 93333205112 V 20/40 amp relay. It's more than just a part, it's a testament to quality and performance. Don't miss out on adding this powerhouse to your toolkit. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling switches and relays on Amazon? Well, don't switch off just yet. Be sure to relay your excitement by liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon so you never miss a spark of our electrifying content. Taking the number 2 spot in our top 5 countdown of the best-selling switches and relays on Amazon is the Mopar 4727370AA starter relay. This isn't just any relay, it's a piece of precision engineering crafted to meet the highest standards. Let's start with the fit. It's vehicle-specific, ensuring a seamless integration with your vehicle's system. No more guesswork, no more hassle, just a perfect fit every time. The dimensions are spot on, with a length of 3.175 centimeters, a height of 12.065 centimeters, and a width of 8.89 centimeters. These compact measurements pack a lot of power into a small package, making it an essential component for any vehicle. Now consider the weight. At 2.3 pounds, it strikes the perfect balance between sturdiness and manageability. This relay is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use while maintaining optimal performance. The part number 4727370AA is your key to unlocking the reliability and efficiency that only Mopar can provide. Mopar is synonymous with quality and innovation. When you choose the Mopar 4727370AA starter relay, you're not just choosing a part, you're choosing peace of mind. You're choosing a component that's built to last, engineered to perform, and designed to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Imagine the confidence that comes with knowing your vehicle is equipped with a relay that's crafted to perfection. Whether you're starting your car on a frosty morning or in the heat of summer, the Mopar 4727370AA starter relay is your dependable companion. So, if you're in the market for a starter relay that combines precision, reliability, and top-tier performance, look no further than the Mopar 4727370AA. It's a small part with a big impact, ensuring your vehicle starts flawlessly every time. And here we are, the moment you've been waiting for. Taking the coveted number 1 spot in our top 5 countdown of the best-selling switches and relays on Amazon, we proudly present the KC HiLiTES 6300 2-light switch kit in sleek, sophisticated black. What sets this product apart? Let's dive in. The KC HiLiTES 6300 is not just a switch kit, it's a complete solution designed with both functionality and style in mind. It features easy-to-follow illustrated instructions that ensure a hassle-free installation process. Imagine having all the guidance you need right at your fingertips, simplifying what could otherwise be a daunting task. But the excellence doesn't stop there. This switch kit is engineered for versatility and reliability, making it the perfect choice for any lighting setup. Whether you're outfitting your off-road vehicle or upgrading your daily driver, the KC HiLiTES 6300 provides the control you need with a touch of elegance. Picture this, a streamlined installation process thanks to those comprehensive instructions. You'll have your lights up and running in no time without the usual headaches. It's about more than just functionality, it's about elevating your entire driving experience. The KC HiLiTES 6300 2-light switch kit in black is more than a product. It's a testament to quality, innovation, and user-friendly design. This isn't just a bestseller, it's a must-have for anyone serious about lighting solutions. Experience the perfect blend of ease, efficiency, and style with the #1 switch kit on Amazon. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling switches and relays on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Until next time, thanks for watching and see you soon.